हेलो हॅलो आवाज येतोय का?
हो येतोय मॅम.
हा थँक्यू. मुलं होऊ द्या आता जॉईन.
हो दे. कोणच जॉईन नाही झाला जास्त.
हा झालेले आहेत लोक 6 झालीत लोक जाईल. आवाज येतोय ना? हॅलो आवाज येतोय? आवाज येतोय का?
येतो.
हा येतोय.
हा थँक्यू. हॅलो हॅलो
हा
आवाज
येतो
येतोय?
आवाज.
हा येतोय.
हा येतो.
ओके ओके.
क्लिअर येतो.
हा अजून एक 2-3 मिनिटं थांबूया आपण चालू करूया.
मॅम फक्त 7 पार्टिसिपेंट आहेत.
हा येतील. मॅडम गेल्या?
त्यांना सांगते म्हणून मी पण
हॅलो आवाज बंद करा. हॅलो हॅलो आवाज येतोय?
हो येते.
अच्छा ओके मी चालू करते आता. अजून 4 मिनिटं आहेत थांबते मी अजून 2 मिनिटं. हॅलो
येस.
11 पार्टिसिपेंट झालेत ना? हॅलो हॅलो
हो 11
हा 11 13 झाले आता.
13 झाले.
हा असू द्या. सोळा झाली. येस. ओके कॅन आय स्टार्ट? ओके मी स्टार्ट करते आता. ओके I am Mrs. Arif Inamdar, Veer Bazikar, AC College Kunde, Associate Professor. Welcome to in our online class. Already all of you, last lecture all of you, paper second, chemical kinetic, types of the chemical reactions, complex reactions, all of you learn. Next one is all of you learn what is meant by energy of activation and so on. So today all of you learn activation energy. Activation energy. Okay. The minimum energy molecule must processes acquired so that they can react upon the collision. They are called energy of activation of the reaction. Already all of you learned what is meant by energy of activation. As shown in diagram, you plotting the graph energy versus activation energy. So at the beginning, suppose reactant A is converted, suppose reaction A equal to B equal to C. Reactant A, B is middle complex state and C is you are having product. It is very impossible directly reactant A is converted into C. So they are step by step this product is formed. How to form? Already A is converted into activated state, so B, and B is converted into C, therefore your product. So activation reactant A is converted into B activated complex. So how this form? So in a reaction, reactant A, they are acquire some amount of energy. That EA is reactant. They are acquired some amount of energy and they are converted into activated state EX. So amount of energy absorbed, that one energy is known as energy of activation. The minimum energy of the molecules must processor acquired so that they can react upon collision is called energy of activation of the reaction. This means that reactant molecules do not directly give the product, but first acquire enough energy to overcome the activation energy barrier. This is the activation energy barrier. This is the diagrammatically as shown in figure. All of you understand? Yes? Anybody? Share me?
Yes.
Yes. हा आवाज येतोय ना माझा? हॅलो येतोय ना? अच्छा. ऍक्टिव्हेशन एनर्जी म्हणजे काय? रिएक्टंट ए पासून रिएक्टंट ए हा रिएक्टंट आहे, बी हा प्रॉडक्ट आहे. डायरेक्ट ए पासून तुम्हाला बी मिळत नाही. तो ए काय करतो? एनर्जी ऍब्सॉर्ब करतो, मॉलिक्युल्स त्यातले एनर्जी ऍब्सॉर्ब करतात आणि त्याचं कन्व्हर्जन ऍक्टिव्हेटेड स्टेट मध्ये होतं. आणि ऍक्टिव्हेटेड स्टेट म्हणजे EX. देअरफॉर एनर्जी मॉलिक्युल्स काय करतात, ऍब्सॉर्ब करतात, एनर्जी ऍब्सॉर्ब करतात आणि ते ऍक्टिव्हेटेड स्टेट मध्ये जातात. ऍब्सॉर्ब करून झाल्यानंतर ऍक्टिव्हेटेड स्टेट वरून तो प्रॉडक्ट मिळतो, EB मिळतो, म्हणजे बी प्रॉडक्ट मिळतो. किती प्रमाणात एनर्जी ऍब्सॉर्ब केली त्या एनर्जीला एनर्जी ऑफ ऍक्टिव्हेशन असे म्हणतात. ऍज शोन इन फिगर, एनर्जी वर्सेस EA diagrammatically as EB. Okay, in this way energy of activation all of you learn. So in a mathematically all of you learn, so EA is represent average energy of the reactant. EA, this is EA. EA is represent average energy of reactant. EB is represent average energy of product. Average energy of product. So wait, average energy of product. So the reactant molecules must across energy barrier represented by EX before they can form product. This is a energy barrier, okay, and barrier represented by EX. EX is activated state. Before they can form product. This is product. Molecules in the state represented by EX is said to be in activated state. EX is activated state. All of you understand? For example, A is converted into A is, for example, reaction A equal to B. A equal to B. So energy of activation E1 is equal to EX minus EA. All of you look here. EX, that EX minus EA is E1. And represent energy of reaction must acquire becomes activated. This is energy of activation of forward reaction. This is energy of activation of forward reaction. Similarly, for the reverse reaction B to A, similarly reaction is B to A. So energy of activation, energy is E2 is equal to, so this is energy of activation forward reaction. Similarly, for reverse reaction B to A, energy of activation E2 is equal to EX minus EB. EX minus EB. All of you understand? A is converted into B, having a energy E1. E1 is EX minus EA, and B to A, they are converted into EX minus EB. Okay, so delta E is equal to E1 minus E2. E1 minus E2. E1 minus E2. So how to form? Delta is equal to E1 minus E2, EX minus EA minus EX plus EB. Minus EX plus EX is cancelled. You are writing in form of EB minus EA. By means delta E is heat of reaction, EB product minus reactant. Product minus reactant. Product minus reactant. Okay? In the बाण कौन मारता है? So delta E is the heat of reaction. Delta is equal to EB minus is EB minus EA. Again I am repeating all these things. For the reaction A equal to B, EX minus EB, EX minus EB, EX minus A is equal to E1, represent the energy of the reactant must acquire becomes activated. This is energy of activation of the forward reaction. Similarly, for reverse reaction, B to A is equal to E2 equal to EX minus EB. Okay. Next, but delta, therefore, delta is equal to E1 minus E2. E1 is first reaction, rate of activated state, product state. So E1 minus E2. So EB minus EA. But delta is heat of reaction at constant volume, being the energy of difference of the product and reactant. Am I right? Therefore, when the reactant molecule pass from activation barrier to product, activation barrier to product, by means it is their energy absorb केली जाते, जातात वर जातात, activated state होतात, energy barrier pass होतो आणि पुन्हा तुम्हाला इथे product मिळतो. Okay, so they must not give up energy absorbed during activation, but also heat of reaction delta E is constant value. In this way, there is molecular activation. Which term? Activation energy. Next point is molecular activation. Molecular activation. A lot of you learn already in last lecture. Molecular activation. In last lecture, Arrhenius equation you find out. In Arrhenius equation, you find out number of molecules is phosphorates is Arrhenius equation you find out. According to the Arrhenius theory, there gives idea about the temperature of the reaction is increased. Reactant of molecules acquire thermal energy and therefore collision theory increases. So consequently, more molecules must transition state from activated complex. The fraction of molecules converted into transition state is equal to S is equal to E raised to minus EA by ET. Already all of you learned. So K is equal to directly proportional to E raised to minus E upon RT. K is equal to A into E raised to RT. Already all these points all of you learn. Okay, so K is equal to A into E raised to EA by RT. K is rate constant, Arrhenius equation constant, EA heat of reaction, energy of activation, and R is gas constant in temperature. Already all of you learned last lecture. Okay, so you find out energy of activation 2.303 log base 10 K2 upon K1 E upon R in bracket 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2 1 upon T2 bracket complete. Okay, that one part all of you learned last lecture. So I said to that the molecular activation, the scientist Maxwell Boltzmann, they are gives idea about. त्यांनी काय सांगितलं मॅक्सवेल बोल्ट्झमन्सनी ऑर्डिनरी टेम्परेचरला तुमचं रेट ऑफ द रिएक्शन मिळेल तुम्हाला. ओके, बट तुम्ही टेम्परेचर जर वाढवलं फॉर एक्झाम्पल ते रिएक्टंट एक घेतला त्याचं टेम्परेचर तुम्ही 25 डिग्री घेतलं आणि नंतर जर टेम्परेचर 10 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेडनी जर वाढवलं तर 10 डिग्रीनी म्हणजे 35 वाढवलं तर व्हेलॉसिटी ऑफ दिस रिएक्टंट वाढेल, रेट ऑफ द रिएक्शन इज वाढेल असं बोल्मननी सांगितलंय. सो प्लॉटेड द ग्राफ fraction of molecules versus molecular velocity. So you first take which one take? You take temperature 25 degrees centigrade and you plotting the graph at 25 degrees and that one graph alone. Part number first. This is going towards most probability velocity again downward direction. Okay, this is a temperature T1. Okay, so suppose in a molecule in a reactant A having 100 molecules. How many molecules? 100 molecules. In these 100 molecules, 60 molecules are activated, 65%. Next one, 40 molecules are activated in 20%, 50%. Next one, 30 molecules are activated 30%, and remaining 10%, these molecules are activated 10%. So you are plotting the graph. At temperature T1, their amount of heat is absorbed, going towards upward at a most probable velocity. So at a point B, you are getting, therefore molecular velocity is also decreasing in form. Okay, so you plot the graph, temperature T1, most probable velocity graph first into B. So B2 A portion is having most probable velocity. So the molecules acquire energy of activation due to energy. Molecules acquire activation is due to energy exchange occurring in collision. As a result, collision between the molecules of a gas, there will be continuous exchange of energy between them. A series of collision in right direction might give abnormally high velocity or energy to a molecule. That one B2A. This is a molecular velocity. Distribution of velocity of energy is obtained by applying Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law तुम्ही जर apply केला, कुठला at using temperature T1. So next one is, this is as shown in figure, a majority of the molecules velocity, that the vicinity of the most probable average velocity. B2 BA ह्या पोर्शन मध्ये तुमची मोस्ट प्रोबॅबिलिटी इथं जास्त आहे. ओके, हे झालं फर्स्ट. कीप इन युअर माइंड the molecules at a ordinary temperature, molecules having less velocity and as well as rate of reaction is also very less, but you are using a temperature coefficient 10 degrees centigrade. What happens? The rate of reaction is increasing. Boltzmann shows that the rate of reaction is increasing, also velocity of the reaction is increasing. You plotting the graph number second, this is increasing flatness curve is for. आवाज येतोय ना? हॅलो, आवाज येतोय ना? हा flatness curve also increasing, also velocity of the reaction is also increasing. Okay, so therefore the second graph description is, keep in your mind, if temperature is increasing, rate of reaction is increasing, also velocity of the reaction is increasing, and flatness of the curves also, therefore reactions of the rate increasing, and so on. So most probable average velocity, neither cells, they observe that there is a small fraction of total number of molecules possessing very high speed at a given temperature. पहिली diagram. So this fraction of increasing with rise in temperature, as a result, as the temperature is raised, general nature curve taken. बघा टेम्परेचर वाढलं तर तुमचा हा फ्लॅटनेस हा कसं झालेला आहे, वाढलेला आहे. ओके, सो वेट with difference is maximum flattened portion of the maximum indicates indicates that an increasing in the number of molecules having a higher velocity than that of lower temperature. You see in diagram curve first and curve second. बघा कर्व फर्स्ट मध्ये उंचवटा दाखवतोय तिथे मोस्ट प्रोबेबल वेलोसिटी आहे. फ्लॅटन मध्ये फ्लॅटन कर्व सेकंड कर्व हा फ्लॅटन दाखवलेला आहे पण त्याची वेलोसिटी ती वाढलेली आहे. ओके. A difference of the maximum flattened portion of the maximum indicates that increasing the number of molecules having higher velocity than that lower temperature. Second ची velocity वाढलेली आहे. Lower temperature 25 degree centigrade ला. Consider for incident velocity represented the point A, represented by A. कुठला A? Wait. Velocity represented by A. हे बघा हा इथे A दाखवलेला आहे हा A. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन. The fraction of total number of molecules having the velocity at lower temperature 1 is BA. BA, lower temperature. This is increased by B dash A at a higher temperature second. The pronounced effect of temperature on the velocity of the molecules can be seen. So, B to A at lower temperature, velocity decreasing, B to B dash, velocity is increasing into higher velocity. All of you understand? Yes, anybody? Okay. हाँ. चला. Next one. आता बोल्ट्झमन काय सांगतो? If the reactant molecules could treated as rigid pair. Rigid pair म्हणजे गोल गोल ते molecules असतील. Then the fraction of total number of molecules has very high velocity is equal to Boltzmann's factor into minus E divided by RT. So that sentence is nothing but the Boltzmann's factor is equal to E by A. Already all of you learned Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation काय सांगत होता? Arrhenius काय म्हणतो? Arrhenius म्हणतो की according to the Arrhenius theory, as a temperature of the reaction is increased, जेव्हा तुमच्या रिएक्शनचं टेम्परेचर इन्क्रीज झालं तर रिएक्शन ऑफ द मॉलिक्युल्स एक्वायर थर्मल एनर्जी, तेव्हा ती मॉलिक्युल एनर्जी काय करते? थर्मल एनर्जी एक्वायर करते. अँड दी कोल्युजन ऑफ द फ्रिक्वेन्सी इन्क्रीजिंग, म्हणजे ते मॉलिक्युल्स एकमेकांना जोरात असे फडकतात आणि फ्रिक्वेन्सी काय होती? इन्क्रीज होते. त्याचा परिणाम काय होतो? मोर मॉलिक्युल्स ऑफ ईच ट्रान्झिशन स्टेट, आणि ट्रान्झिशन स्टेटला मॉलिक्युल्स भरपूर येतात. and former activated complex, आणि नंतर activated complex हे तुम्हाला मिळतं. The fraction of the molecules converted into the transition state is given by F. F is equal to E raised to minus EA divided by RT. हे कोण सांगतो? Arrhenius सांगतो. Similarly, Boltzmann's is also treated as Boltzmann's factor. Reactant of molecules could be treated as rigid pair. Molecules कशा आहेत? Rigid pair आहे, गोल आहे. Then fraction of total number of molecules, the fraction of total number of molecules which have very high velocity is equal to Boltzmann's factor minus EA by RT. Same way, Boltzmann's factor काय आहे? Minus A by RT. This is clear that small fraction of the total small fraction of the हे काय गेलं? This is very thus the clear that small fraction of the total number of molecules possesses energy or excess of average value, which is majority of the molecule possesses given temperature. Okay, given temperature. collision between molecules which possesses excess energy and will lead to chemical reaction. However, this such effective collision will be small fraction of total number of collision. This account of fact number of molecules colliding much greater than number of reacting. Same way, Boltzmann says that Boltzmann काय म्हणतो, तुम्ही ज्या रिएक्शनला एखादी एनर्जी जर दिली, एनर्जी देते मॉलिक्यूल काय करतात, एनर्जी ऍब्सॉर्ब करतात आणि जास्तीत जास्त मॉलिक्यूल ऍक्टिव्हेटेड स्टेटला जातात आणि तुम्हाला तिथून प्रॉडक्ट मिळतो. इन दिस वे Boltzmann's factor is says that all these things. Okay, next one. Minimum energy of Boltzmann says that minimum energy must possesses acquire the react collision called energy of activation of the reaction. So please write down the minimum. Write down what is the in Boltzmann's definition energy of activation. Minimum energy. Write down minimum energy. Minimum energy. The molecule must possesses. The molecule must possesses. The molecule must possesses. Acquires that. Acquires that. They react upon collision is called energy of activation of the reaction. Energy of activation of the reaction. The effect of temperature, write down next point. The effect of temperature. The effect of temperature. The effect of temperature on reaction rate has been accounted for by the fact that Boltzmann factor increasing, the Boltzmann factor increasing rapidly with rising temperature. Rapidly with rising temperature. This results in increasing in number of molecule possessing energy in excess of energy of activation E, and hence number of effective collision. So K is equal to Z into e raised to minus EA by RT. So in this way, today all of you learn. काय शिकला? Tell me. Anybody? energy of activation, molecular activation, and yes, कॅमेरा कुठे गेला? Yes, anybody?
Boltzmann factor.
Boltzmann factor. Okay. Activation of energy, Boltzmann factor, molecular activation, flatness curve at 25 degrees C, 35 degrees C. In this way, today all of you learn molecular activation energy and molecular activation. Okay, can I start? Total 33 students are present. How many? Yes? 33. Can I leave? कळलं का? Yes, anybody? Okay, आता मी leave होते. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.